Video instructions of a super easy, step-by-step toilet paper holder installation. We will be doing the installation in a guest bathroom today. Here is what you will find in your box. Pictorial instructions have been provided, but we will cover more details in this video on how to install. There will be a hex key, 2 screws, and 2 plastic wall anchors. There is a sheet showing other products available, which is just an additional insert. This package with stickers and glue are not needed for installation. These stickers with a hook accessory are also not needed. Okay, let's get started. On the back side you will see a screw. This will go on the bottom to conceal the mounting. Using the provided hex key, take the screw out to remove the back plate. Place the toilet paper holder where you would like it to be mounted and mark with a pencil to use as a guide. Then, hold the back plate to the area a little inwards, it will be smaller, use the marks as your guide. Also, mark with your pencil the location where the screw will go. To make sure the holes are aligned, use a level that ensures the toilet paper holder will sit at the correct angle also. Pre-drilling holes will help the screws go in smoother and can keep wood from splitting or drywall from cracking. The toilet paper holder itself is not that heavy, but if your area needs more support, then you would apply the wall anchors at this point. Hold up the back plate and insert the screws. Place the toilet paper holder over the back plate and put the bottom screw back in using the hex key. Now you have successfully installed a beautiful sleek toilet paper holder.